Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Valorant. Whenever you launch the game or trying to play the game, the Valorant is just stuck at the loading screen and hence you are not able to play the game. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, if you have installed the game on an HDD, make sure you uninstall it and then install the game onto the SSD only, because this is the major cause for Valorant stuck at the loading screen. So after installing the game into the SSD, click on start menu and type ROID. Next to ROID client, click on the option open file location, right click on it and choose the option properties. Here first of all, under the run as, from drop down list, choose the option minimize and then click on this compatibility tab and check mark this particular option, run this program as an administrator. Hit apply and OK button. Once done, close it. Now relaunch the ROID client and then launch the Valorant to fix out the issue of Valorant stuck at the loading screen. If this failed to work out, in next step go ahead and simply clear the debug files of the Valorant. So to do so, open this PC, C drive, ROID games, Valorant, live folder, and here you will find manifest debug files. Just right click on it and choose the option delete. Once it is deleted, your Valorant will start to launch and it will not stuck at the loading screen. However, if the error is still encountered whenever you next restart your system, again you need to head over to this location and delete that particular file with the name manifest. If this also failed, in next step we are going to fix by using a Google DNS. To do so, right click on start menu, choose option run, type here ncpa.cpl and then hit the enter key. Now whichever your Wi-Fi available is, right click on it and choose option properties. First of all, uncheck the option TCP/IP v6. Now click on TCP/IP v4 and hit the properties option. Now choose second option, use the following DNS server address. Type in 8.8.8.8 and in alternate DNS 8.8.4.4. Now click on the option OK. Now close it. Now click on start menu, type cmd and run cmd as an administrator only. Type here few commands one by one. ipconfig /release. Second one is ipconfig /renew. And third one is ipconfig /flush DNS and hit the enter key. Once you have completed these three commands, make sure to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, relaunch the ROID client and Valorant to fix out the issue of Valorant stuck at the loading screen. If this method also failed to work out, in next step, first of all, if ROID client or Valorant is already open, make sure you close it completely. Even from the system tray icon also, click on this up arrow key and right click on the ROID client and choose the option exit. This will make sure that ROID client or Valorant related service are not running in your system. After that, hit over to C drive, ROID games, and here you will find a folder with the name Valorant. You need to right click on it and choose the option delete. Hit the yes option. This will completely delete the Valorant folder. Once Valorant is completely deleted, go ahead and relaunch the client as an administrator. Now you need to log in using your user ID and password. Now once you are logged in, you will get an option of update whenever you hit the option Valorant. Click on this simple option install, choose your path and click on the option install. This will go ahead and reinstall the Valorant and in turns help you fix out the issue of Valorant stuck at the loading screen. If this also failed, in next step you need to limit your maximum FPS to 60 or below. To do so, once Valorant is completely installed in your system, launch the Valorant and head over to the settings menu of the Valorant. In settings, under the video, here you will find the option of limit FPS on different categories. From here, you need to select the option maximum FPS always and make sure you limit it to 60. I recommend to limit it to 30 first, else limit it to 60 and after setting it to 60, go ahead and launch the game to fix out the issue of Valorant stuck at the loading screen. However, if all this method fails, I have a simple tip for you. Before going into a match, go ahead and simply load your game into the range. After completing the range, go back to the death match or any matchmaking and this will launch the game without getting stuck at the loading screen. And nextly is when the game start to load, simply press the F11 key As soon as the game starts to load, after pressing the F11 key, the game will start in the Windows mode. As soon as the game starts in the Windows mode, and whenever you are into the game, simply go to the graphics settings and change Windows mode to full screen mode, and this way you will be able to play the game without stucking at the loading screen. So as of now, this is all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.